Hello and welcome to Rescoli by Carlo, our concept shop which is in Nashar. These are our operating hours. Currently in our window display, Le Muse di Leonardo. Oh, but please, come in. This is time traveling, which is on our left when you enter the shop. And on the right, there is the Lady of Shalott, which is the first piece we made for the year 2023. And this is our makeshift studio for our YouTube episodes, because our proper studio is full of furniture queuing to be reloved and remodeled. This is #feelings. And here is our new moldings display, so that when our customers come in, can see properly and choose which moldings they would love to have on their furniture. And here is our cash point. This is currently our desk cum worktop, where we use it for remodeling and reloving of furniture whilst we're open for customers. And here is part of our products for sale. We hope you liked this small tour of our little concept shop. Until we meet again, ta-ta!